LinkedIn is fabulous for walking you step by step through building your resume online. This is a virtual online resume, and make sure you're scrupulously honest because all of this is cached online forever. Make sure that when you build out your employment history, they will walk you step by step. What is your current job? When did you take that job? Describing skills, and then your employer section. All this is just like a resume. It's reverse chronological order. So the newest information is on top and the older information is at the bottom. And make sure that you add achievements, accomplishments, plus anything that can be quantified is what any employer is going to look for. Use high impact action verbs. Don't use pronouns, impersonal verbs in the past tense, but very powerful verbs that connote an awful lot of information. That's really, really very important.